At night, King Tut's coffin makes a strange sound. Security guards say they hear a soft thump, thump, coming from inside the tomb. At first, they thought it was a ghost or a curse, but then scientists checked the tomb carefully, and what they found was even more shocking. The sound was caused by ancient air trapped inside the coffin. As the temperature changes at night, the coffin expands and releases tiny bursts of air. This 3,300-year-old air escapes, creating the sound people still hear today. If King Tut's tomb still breathes after 3,000 years, just imagine what secrets Egypt is still hiding. Follow InfoMystica for more real history mysteries.